Hello, dear children, and welcome back to English class. Today, I will give you an introduction of phrases and clauses. Phrases and clauses are two very important terms of English grammar. They are parts of a sentence. Before we go on to learn more about phrases and clauses, let us first recap and understand the meaning of a word, phrase, clause, and sentence. Children, a word is a single distinct meaningful element of a speech or writing used with other to form a sentence and typically shown with a space on either side when written or printed. So let us form a word. For example, honest, mountains, library, and there are thousands and thousands of examples of words. What is a phrase? A phrase is a collection of words that may have nouns or verbs but does not have a subject. For example, at the door, on the bed. What is a clause? Clause is a collection of words that has a subject that is actively doing a verb. Example, he must stop laughing. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought. For example, Hannah returned to Korea last month. Now let us talk about phrase and clause in detail. Like I said, a phrase is a group of words without a subject-verb component used as a single part of speech. Look at these examples. Best friend, needing help, with the blue shirt, for 20 days. Now these are phrases, children. You need to put in some more words to it to make it meaningful. A phrase cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because it does not give a complete meaning. For example, on the bed cannot stand as a lone sentence as it does not give a complete meaning. Each word or phrase has a meaning, but the phrase collectively does not make a complete sense, like a sentence. Read the following exercise. The underlined part of each sentence is a phrase. She is standing on the roof. The cat is sleeping under the table. She is drawing a map on the wall. She is waiting at the door. In these sentences, on the roof, under the table, on the wall, at the door are phrases. Now, it is very important to note that the purpose of a phrase is to complement the overall structure of a sentence. Moving on to clauses. A clause is a group of words that consists of a subject and a verb. For example, he laughed. The guests arrive. A clause has both subject and object. It can stand alone as a complete sentence because it gives a complete meaning. Let us go back to the sentences that I just shared. She is standing on the roof. Now look at the first part of the sentence. She is standing. It is a clause. It is a complete sentence of its own. Look at the first part of the next sentence. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping is yet another complete sentence. She is drawing a map. She is drawing a map is also a complete sentence. She is writing. It makes a complete sense. But we made it a sentence by adding some more words and phrases to it. So, a sentence can have a clause and a phrase. So, a sentence carries words, clauses, and phrases. There are mainly two types of clauses: main or independent clause, subordinate or dependent clause. Subordinate or dependent clauses are further divided into noun clauses, adjective clauses, and adverb clauses. We will learn all these types of clauses one by one. In my next video, we will learn and discuss types of clauses. Till then, students, stay safe and happy. Thanks for watching.